Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to sell an app subscription service on Amazon. Let's dive in. Hey there. Today, I want to share some valuable insights about selling app subscription services on Amazon. This is an often overlooked opportunity that can lead to significant revenue streams. Let's jump right into it. First, it's essential to understand that when we talk about subscriptions on Amazon, we're not just referring to the standard subscribe and save products. We're exploring the realm of app-related subscriptions. This could mean anything from a GPS device that requires a subscription for tracking services to smart products that integrate seamlessly with mobile apps. If you're considering this approach, you can start by researching existing subscription-based products on Amazon. A simple search for subscription required will yield various results, including innovative products that provide added value through their app functionalities. For instance, many GPS trackers are priced attractively low to draw customers in, while the real profit is made through the ongoing subscription fees for accessing premium features. This strategy allows companies to engage customers with an initial purchase, knowing they'll sustain that relationship through subscription renewals. Next, how do we effectively promote these app subscriptions alongside physical products? Your product listings are crucial for this. Highlight the app's functionality in your images and descriptions. Showcase the app interface and its key features, emphasizing how it enhances the user experience. Including clear messaging about the subscription requirement can also help manage customer expectations right from the start. It's important to note that while Amazon has strict rules regarding product listings, there's some flexibility when it comes to apps and digital services. Use this to your advantage by referencing your app in a way that informs potential buyers about its features. If you offer free trials or introductory rates, consider promoting those as well to entice customers to try out the service. Another effective tactic is to leverage your brand's social media presence. If you have a following, use it to drive traffic to your Amazon listings. Share content that illustrates how your app adds value to the product they're purchasing. For example, if your app includes educational content or video tutorials that enhance the customer's experience, make sure they know about it. This can create a more engaging buying process and foster customer loyalty. In summary, selling app subscription services on Amazon is a fantastic opportunity for businesses to diversify their revenue streams. By focusing on compelling product listings and leveraging social media, you can effectively promote both your physical products and the subscription services that come with them. I hope these insights help you navigate this exciting opportunity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.